UA1A-K6. This is the code for multiple category sUAS, multiple category small unmanned aerial systems. Now, when we're talking about categories here, we are talking about the categories for flight over people. Again, there are additional codes that are going to go into this in more detail. However, so I'm just going to touch on this really briefly. But in the part of the regulations where it talks about flying your drone over people, the aircraft needs to fit into a certain category. There's a category one, a category two, a category three, and a category four. This particular section is when it talks about multiple categories, it's talking about drones that can be in, say, category one and category three. I'm just using that as an example. I don't have a specific aircraft that does that per se. I'm just telling you what this means when it's talking about multiple category small UAS. So, and this is talked about in FAR 107 150 is the regulation where you'll find everything laid out. And what it says is that a small unmanned aircraft system may be eligible for one or more categories of operation over human beings under the subpart as long as the remote pilot and command can, this is the key part, cannot inadvertently switch between modes or configurations. So, if you got a question and and this code came on your exam because it had something to do with, can you have can the aircraft be eligible under multiple categories? The answer is yes, as long as that it cannot inadvertently switch between modes or configurations.